I look good. And so now I'm going to tip out the ends. Tip out the ends. And I'm going to straighten them back up a little bit. A little more. I would even go with a third round. And definitely if you're going out, I might add a third layer of mascara for this look. So what do y'all think? This is my Savannah Chrisley look. Maybe add a little more lip gloss. It is the sticky kind of lip gloss, and the only thing that you need to be aware of when it's stickier like this, the good thing is it's got really good shine. It lasts a lot longer. But as you do this, it's going to make lines. So just, I would keep this handy in my purse because you'll need to reapply this. Also, you just need to reapply it. So, I've got my little tube. Again, this could be just right in your dressing area and have that in your drawer is what I would do. Just have your little drawer where you keep your brushes and stuff, or if you have enough space, if you have 2 drawers, I would keep your makeup separate than things like your brush and comb. So, what would I say? I would definitely say these are a very good purchase. I'm glad I got them. I am going to make at least the palette part of my next giveaway, which will be our, I don't know, should I wait? I don't know if I'm going to make it a winter giveaway, but we're coming into the winter, and I have a funny feeling people are going to need a Bible, and they're going to need to feel sassy. And people say, why do you even make up? You know, you're just on Zoom calls, or you're not going to see anybody. I do it for me. I enjoy it. It's artwork, and I love it. And I have to say I love this product. I'm so proud of Savannah at her very first shot at doing product for a very critical public. And in the makeup world, I mean, it is. Y'all know that it is. And but I feel like she did a very good shot in the fact that her palette has both eyes, which includes that dark matte brown that you can use for brows, since she doesn't have a brow product. Which, by the way, sometimes you can use mascara if you only use a little bit of it for your brows. But I feel like she got a good color range. She had some mattes in there just for a real natural look. But she had good colors for shimmer. Like, I love this kind of green toned shimmer. It's very hunter green. But it's not so green that you go, oh my gosh, look. But I do feel like it's enhancing my hazel green eyes. What do y'all think? Do you like the look? Do you like a warmer look on me? Y'all know I usually wear rose. So that would be my only advice, is to add in a rose toned lip product, lip kit, so that you could choose from 2 kits, warm or cool. But in here, with the different, with these different, I gotta say this is the best ever I've seen of a cool tone bronzer contour color. Best ever. Look how different they are. Very warm, very cool. I would even use that as liner if you're light blonde. I would use that as an eyeshadow neutral color if you needed it, but you got some really good ones. I mean, if you went, I don't know, gosh, I'm already seeing other looks I want to do, y'all. Look at that charming color. Look at that. That's really pretty. And that together, those two would be really pretty together, y'all. Ooh, and that, ain't it pretty? I guess she meant for those 3 to be together for sure. Look. That's very pretty. Love it. But anyway, the reason I was showing you is this cheeky has a pink undertone to it. This has a warm undertone to it. I could have used that a little more and it would have given me a warmer look. I did go a little neutral. So for this lipstick, it's not clashing, but I could have added a little more of that that warm tone. Hold on, just a touch of that warm tone peach, maybe right in the front. Right in the front. And that will warm it up a little bit. Yeah, it changed it just enough. Now there's absolutely no. But I just wanted to show y'all it had pink and it had a bronzer color that I like. Sometimes this is a little too muddy for me, but you know what I would still use that for? Or either just use very, very little of that for. If I feel like it's too muddy, then just don't use as much. And so you can blend it out and it's just the shadow it's meant to be. But also, this is a great eyeshadow color. I would use that with these other colors. I love this Fine and Dandy color. I love Suit Your Fancy. That was the one I almost did. And I can't wait to use this Once in a Blue Moon. These are really good colors. Ooh, and that's the tea. I really love that, y'all. Let's just see what that looks like real quick on my wrist. Okay, they are warmer than they look in the palette. Look, that's definitely warmer. So, honestly, that would have looked good with the look I have today. It looks, what did I use? Did I use, that's the tea, Charming, I think. Let's see if that was Charming. It is. Okay, that's not warm. It's that middle color that makes it look warm. But anyway, again, that's a very pretty combination. Okay, we'll have to do many videos because I got all kinds of combination ideas here. The point is, I love the palette, and I love that she came out with her own. It is signature her. I do recommend it, and it will be part of one of my giveaways. Coming soon. I don't know if I'll do winter or spring. This looks so spring, doesn't it, the cover? But maybe it'll help us get ready for spring in a time that we may be dealing with COVID and who knows what. Maybe we'll need something just to help keep us sassy and happy and upbeat. So, that'll probably be my winter-spring giveaway. That's what I'll call it, my winter-spring giveaway. And it will include, as you know, great makeup. It will include a beautiful Bible. I can't wait to show it to you. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Probably a candle. I don't know which candle. And it's a nice candle. I'm not going to give you any hints. Just wait. Who knows? Because I might find something else in the meantime that I want to give you. So, you never know. Y'all, this is so pigmented. I'm having a hard time getting off my finger. So that's very good. Yeah. It's pigmented. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see how this wears today. And I hope y'all have enjoyed the tutorial. I will tag her. I hope she likes it. I am not sponsored by her in any way, so I'm not saying I like this just because Savannah sponsored me to do a video. She did not. She doesn't know who I am. But I love it. And, oh, and I wanted to show y'all with my little shirt today, I'm using some of my Plunder jewelry. Do you see that? It's got the little cheetah, and I'm wearing cheetah, and the orange, and this kind of brushed gold look. So I got these brushed gold earrings. And so I feel like I did kind of good matchy-matchy today. Okay, y'all. Again, I love you. I hope you enjoyed this. And I'll talk to you again soon. Feel free to go. Savannah, I'll put a link to her below. Hopefully she's not sold out. Savannah Chrisley's, what's it called? Stay Sassy. Full face palette. If nothing else, I'd try this because it's everything you need in a palette. And then, if you can afford it, I would go ahead and get the eye kit and the lip kit. If you like these colors. And I'm hoping she's going to come out with a cool tone lip to go. Because look, if I didn't do this, that's really the only truly warm thing about this. The rest of this is fine. It goes. And maybe this will grow on me. Kind of feel like I'm looking like Anne Margaret right now. Anyway, I love you guys. Talk to you again soon. Bye!